Today is about to begin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at who it is. Oh, the liberal! Alright guys, so we're currently headed to the west side to get our cars washed. Don't know how many people are actually going to show up just to the car wash, but there's going to be a car meet tonight. Catch you over there. Made it to the car wash. Say what up to the boy.
Too slow hatchback.
Too slow hatchback right here. What's under the hood?
I don't want to see what's under the hood.
It's not about how you stand next to your car.
It's about how you drive your car.
You better learn that. Thing's pretty clean though. Went to the homies and made my exhaust. Put that little straight passer rat on there. But they're dirty. I don't know if you can see all that, but they're super, super dirty. Looks like everyone's here at the car wash. Got these guys over here. There's done up. Oh, goodness. Look at the guy here. V12. This is a supercharger right here. Lined up right here with the panty dropper. Guy here, guys. Let's put in this bad boy. This thing's coming out pretty good, dude.
Red Rocket. Or hanging. Getting big today. Too slow hatchback. Coming soon to YouTube. Be ready for some things out of this monster right here.